The road is long and hard, twisting and turning, clinging to the mountainsides from which it has been carved. But this is the road to Mecca, the great holy city of Islam, forbidden to those not of the faith. Few non-believers have set eyes on this place, for this is where Muhammad was born. This is the great mosque surrounding the sacred shrine of the religion. Here rests the black stone which, they say, was given by Gabriel to Abraham. Pilgrims come here to kiss that stone. It is their first duty on arriving in the holy city. The mosque and its surroundings are serenely beautiful. This place, though of significant importance, is only one aspect of the kingdom called Saudi Arabia. The 20th century is as much a part of life there as anywhere else in the world. Education has priority. At centers such as this, children are given formal and advanced academic instruction. Education is free. The citizens of tomorrow are nurtured, trained in the skills of the sciences. For Saudi Arabia is a land rich in natural resources. Far below the sun-blanched earth is one of the world's most sought-after commodities, oil, main source of the country's wealth. 80% of Saudi Arabia's budget is derived from oil. Heavy industry also features more strongly in the nation's growth today. This is a country of wealth and expansion. Television is a further indication of that. The medium is used for both entertainment and education. The ancient and modern ways of life have their role for the 6 million people in this land of the Middle East.